Welcome back to Bearza. Hey guys, welcome back to Bearza. Today we're working on, what are we working on? Welcome back to Bearza, guys. We're having a really exciting series for you. Just remember to subscribe to Rusty Boy. We want to make sure he gets lots of money.
Rusty Boy for 2069.
He needs nice things, guys. He really needs nice things. So this is it, guys. Welcome. Walk us through it, Rusty. Walk us through it. What are your thoughts? I'm just like balding. This is obviously a wig.
Oh, you're matching your car.
Yeah, I know. That wasn't intentional. This is it, guys. There's people staring, people watching us right now. Today, I told my fans to leave me alone. Guys, today we have the FIAT Nicky 126. This is the Australian version. I've had this little car for about 6 months to a year now. And I've just been looking at it. We've been thinking about what kind of mods we can do, how can we make it better. And I'm going to ruin it, essentially. But I'm going to
Let's wreck it.
Let's wreck it, guys. It's a simple setup. So I'm thinking, okay, well, what can we do? This car doesn't stop. This car does not stop. It has drum brakes, front and rear.
You can't see
Can't
them.
really see it because they're not even there, really. They may as well just not be there. If you hit the brakes, nothing happens. If you can imagine that, it's drum brakes, front and rear. So I've taken the liberty to get some disc brakes in the front, see how that goes. We don't really even know if it's going to fit yet. As our modifications generally go, we generally struggle with it.
If you go back and look at Connor's cars.
Every other video is generally no luck involved, so we'll see what happens. Also, we're going to give it a little bit of low, just drop it down a little bit, make it a bit more
As you can see.
Got a bit of tire, it's got a bit of gap.
Bit of,
I'm thinking 30 mil or so, 30 to 40, we'll see how we go. But it'll still have the legal ground clearance. Still the legal ground clearance, so that's going to be all right. Also, just a couple little basic things for the personal touches I'm going to be doing. Or either way, actually. I'm going to be doing the steering wheel and the gear knob, just because
the knob.
yeah, the knob.
The knob.
As you can see, it's all faded. It's all faded as sin. This is all cooked.
Looks gross.
Yeah, it's all, you know. I think we need to actually clean it up a little bit.
Oh, it stinks, bro. Stinks in here.
Smells like
What?
you were in it before earlier. So
You borrowed it from me.
This is what I'm going with, guys. Oh. So this is starting strong. We already got a good run on this one. We've got the FIAT knob here, guys. Zoom up. Look at this bad boy. Are you seeing this?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah. I went for something a little bit smaller than the stock, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Oh my god, look at that. That is just, yeah, wow. Just take that in. I'm not even going to be talking over this. I'm just going to have really nice lo-fi, just going over the whole thing. Got a boss kit, we'll see what happens. We don't really...
Copyrighted.
So, I've ordered these parts under the car's name. I've spoken to the people. Everything's from overseas, so I've had to really struggle with communication and delivery, like suspension from Germany, brakes are from like the UK. So I've had to really struggle to try and source all the parts, but they've assured me that it should be fine, it should fit, there shouldn't be an issue. We know what's gonna happen. Guys, so we've gone with the best of the best, okay? I've seen this sort of steering wheel. I was hoping, honestly, it's exceeded my expectations. So what I had in mind, what I had imagined for this car, this has gone so far above and beyond. Like, this is just such a beautiful steering wheel. I'm so excited to put it in the car. That's what we're doing today. We're going to install the gear knob and the steering wheel. So that's our goal for today. This series, hopefully we can put all this together. So it should be really good. We're going to be doing possibly the brakes in the next video or the suspension, whatever.
If you have the hoist.
Yeah, if we can get a hoist. So my friend's getting a hoist. We're going to put that in. I'm just really fortunate that we can use it. Let's get into it, eh? Look at this. Look at that, man. We're inside the car, guys, and yes, it really is this small, but it doesn't feel that small in here. It's actually...
Let's get him a bit better of an angle.
Yeah, when you're...
He looks so small.
Yeah?
This is actually tiny, guys.
Yeah, I'm actually 4 foot tall.
He's really skinny.
Yeah, I'm incredibly skinny. I'm like 2 foot tall.
And he's got no d***.
Man, I told you that in private, man. I can't believe you'd really... What the hell, man? No, this is not funny. Turn the video off right now. Yeah, so I've already taken off essentially got a flathead screwdriver, taking this off. Whoa,
Whoa.
Mamma mia!
Getting a bit excited. Let's
So,
give him a look.
yeah, this is what we're working with. I gotta
Looks
replace
disgusting.
this with this. Yeah,
Yep.
well, who knows how long it's been here for.
So you know, all we have to do is
Take that bolt
undo that a little bit, and then bang this off,
Yep.
and then you can take it all the way off.
Okay. The hole, it's not lining up. I can probably force it, but I might need you to.
No, that's not right. That's not right. That's not the right hole, Sam. That's not right. You have to go find. We'll start again. What are we doing?
Oh, okay. Hey guys, yeah. So we've encountered an issue. The steering wheel does not fit the boss hub. Not in the way that we'd hoped.
These holes.
These holes?
Not wide enough.
These holes?
They're not wide enough.
They're not wide.
For those holes.
They're not wide enough for for those holes. So what we're gonna do is we have a legendary mechanic with us. Unlicensed, trained thoroughly, professional but unlicensed mechanic. We have
Let's do a dental inspection.
no. We just ate. We have a centre and anale.
Punch. Goodbye.
What? Hello guys, welcome back to Bearsha. Today we're currently dealing with the first issue of the build. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit the boss kit, the steering wheel that was supposed to be well for it, but now Rusty's making some new holes for the steering wheel. Okay guys, thanks to Rusty, he's been able to shape shift here a little bit.
Looks pretty good.
He's a shape shifter. He's done some beautiful work here guys, if you can see it. Now we just have to install it.
You can't see.
Let's see how we do.
That's right.
Boy, I sure hope so.
Otherwise you just get a wheel alignment and they'll fix it for you.
Yeah, true.
But you have to get a wheel alignment anyway when we do the suspension.
Yeah.
So
That's true, this is true.
don't worry about it too much.
Every single day I do this. This one's for you, Charlene.
Maybe this is a long
Yeah.
one. Monica. Get some torque behind it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We're gonna play games here on Beza or Rusty.
That's pretty good. Did you put the washer on? No. Take it off.
Yeah.
Let's go find this washer. Yeah. He must have it in there. Here you go.
Thank you.
Receipt.
Thank you, fine sir. This is supposed to be the fun job.
You know where this car belongs?
In the bin.
In our hearts. I was gonna say.
Rusty's so wholesome, guys. I honestly don't know what I would do without
Why do you
him.
always paint me out to be the bad guy?
I know, Rusty, you seem like a scumbag at first, but you're actually a really good guy. That's pretty tight.
Yeah, it should be right.
I'm not putting crazy force on it because of the extension, but
Plus, you already did it already, and it didn't come off, so
Yeah.
it should be fine.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Make sure it's straight. It's the hardest bit.
This is straight?
Oh no, is your boss kit gonna cuff you?
I think it is. Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, sometimes you do have to just put a bit of pressure.
I think my boss kid's gonna cuck me, dude, to be honest. Oh, yeah, no, because it's designed for this. Not for that. Oh my god!
Let me have a look.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've got a temporary horn.
And it's just loose as hell.
Just loose
Do you have
as hell.
pliers?
Pliers? Close?
Oh, who cares, dude? If it falls off, it falls off.
This is a very thorough job we're doing tonight.
Even this one doesn't fucking fit.
It really doesn't, does it? Like, it doesn't really look like it's supposed to. And it doesn't work either.
There you go.
Does it work? It doesn't even work.
You need the keys.
Do we? It was working before without the keys.
Oh, wasn't
Yeah, let's just try again.
it? Get in.
That's safe. Also, the cord's hanging out of the top.
Oh, what the hell? Good purchase.
Would recommend 10 out of 10.
I'll take it off, you put it on.
Okay. That's it, man. That's what it's all about. Take that old one off. I'm just gonna put that on display somewhere. That's it. Yeah, that's it. You know how to do it. You know how to work it. You've had some experience here before. You've seen this. You've seen this before. We've seen this.
It's busted.
Beautiful, bro. Definitely. It came off.
What's the FIAT, like, be the other way?
It never locks in like tight. Not loose, but never like tight. Oh, that's nice. I like this. This is whatever. I'll figure this out. I think we'll figure this out.
I reckon just enough basket. How's it feel, man?
Yeah, good. It's perfect. To the last detail. Operationally, no, but steering wheel feel.
For some of the viewers at home, if you don't know, whenever we work on cars together, it always goes wrong.
Every time. So guys, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 modification. I'll give it a, depending on...
8?
Yeah. We
Very
didn't,
generous.
we didn't agree on it. Well, look, no, like the wheel, yeah, the steering wheel
Pay to win?
is an 8 is an 8 out of 10. The steering wheel is. Not the boss kit. The boss kit is a 1 out of 10. 0, because it didn't even fit. It basically worked against everything that we had. And we had to basically just create a whole new setup inside the boss kit. The little gear knob, like that as well. Very good. The feel, you know, beautiful. Very good. Very solid. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.